Hey everybody, this is Flarp Noise Putty. In this video, we're gonna open these up and we're gonna play with it. We're gonna figure out why it's called Noise Putty. Let's start by opening the first one. Pop this thing open. Haha. This stuff it feels like slime, because that's essentially what it is. And it stretches. You can do all kinds of stuff with it. But its primary function is to make fart noises, basically. It's pretty redonkulous, and it comes in all kinds of different colors. Yeah, there's a good fart. Good fart sound out of the Flarp. And adults can enjoy this too. I got some of this for my niece a few years back, and my sister absolutely hijacked it, and she loves it. She buys it on her own for herself because she just likes playing with it. The texture is quite unique, and of course the sounds are remarkable. This is the pink one. Now, I've had interesting things in the past where when I've had this, opened it up, and one of them was dried out, and this clearly does not have that issue, so that's awesome. I'm gonna pull this completely out. And yeah, this is definitely not dried out and kind of weird. Both of these so far have been good. Almost a touch to the damp side, which means it's going to last a little bit longer, at least in my experience. Let's see what kind of fart sounds we can get out of this. Not too bad, not too bad, but I think we can do better. All right, and you don't want to get this on clothes and fabric and things like that. Let's actually see if we can get that to focus. It says, do not eat, keep away from heat, may stain or stick to surfaces, and it conforms to ASTM D4336, whatever that is. Probably safety code. And parents, this is for ages 3+. I'm targeting adults with this video because frankly, I think adults can have just as much fun with this as kids. Whoa, that almost got messy. All right, I'm gonna put this one back in, and then we're gonna open the orange one. After I tried to put away that pink one, I realized that it may have gotten heat to it. I've had all three of these for quite some time, so all of them may have a little bit of heat damage, which is why they're a little bit more watery than they might be otherwise. Let's see if this one is the same or if it's any better. I think this one definitely seems better so far. Still a little bit more watery. Typically, that doesn't stick to the skin quite as much as all three of these have, but that's okay. It's still fun. You can still make your fart sounds. You can still do some interesting things with it. In fact, I'm going to set this container down. Some folks have like made bubbles with them. Like you literally blow into that and see if I can just trap some air in there. A little bit. You can see it sticking to my fingers a little bit, so there's a touch of heat damage, but that's all right. Still fun, and I think you can get these anywhere from, well, probably these days, probably $2 to $3. Yeah, this is definitely sticky. Far more sticky than my past ones, so there may be a little heat damage going on with this set, but that's okay. You can still have fun with it. You can still be goofy, even as an adult. Let me see if we can do some fart sounds and not have this stick completely to the outside of the container. Whoa. This is out of control, guys. This is definitely out of control, guys. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. All right, I'm gonna have to put, all right guys. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right guys, I'm gonna have to put this in the container off camera because I don't wanna get it all on my, my review blanket here. All right guys, that was interesting to say the very least. The yellow one definitely was the least heat damaged, or whatever damaged you want to call that. Check the links in the description of the video. You can get your very own Flarp Noise Putty. You can make your own fart sounds. You can have fun like old GB. And hopefully the ones that you get will still have this nice label and not be damaged. With all that being said, like, comment, and subscribe. And GB Linden out.